What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make money on YouTube without any subscribers, right? So I know when you just starting your first YouTube channel and stuff like that, or you might not even want to start a YouTube channel, or whatever the case may be, you're not going to have a lot of subscribers, and if you're not into making money online, it's going to be, pretty difficult for you to make money when you're doing something like a gaming channel, or like let's say you're just doing like a hobby or something like that. It's going to be pretty difficult for you to, really start generating some revenue. So this would be an easy way for you guys to make money here. So this is a way that you can get pretty much unlimited free traffic. You can even use this method to get subscribers. Basically, this is just all about free traffic and stuff like that, right? So, and this is extremely easy, guys. Literally, all you need to do is just leave comments on videos. Like, you don't even need to watch the video. You just need to leave a comment. Like, that's it, right? So you see this video right here. I clicked on this video, whatnot, and then I seen that Eminem was in there. I literally didn't listen to any of the whole song, but all I did was went straight to Eminem's part, which I know a lot of people like Eminem, so I just made a comment. Literally was like, "We know why you're here," and I just put the part where Eminem is right here. Like literally, it was just that simple, right? And then I said, "Good thing Eminem didn't rap before the Boogie dude or whatever," because and the only reason I said that was literally because I have no idea who that Boogie guy is, and everyone knows who Eminem is, so a lot of people are going to think the same way. So you see that right there, right? So that's 1.1 K, then 1.2K likes or whatnot, right? So literally all you would need to do is just go back here and literally just edit your comment. Like it's literally just that simple. So you would edit your comment, and let's say you add something to the end like thanks for watching, or something along those lines, right? Also, another quick tip, guys, is always add something in your stuff that's spelled wrong. Bro, people love to correct people on shit. They love to correct everything but that negative ass bank account. You know what I'm saying? But like always use the improper word, whatever. Like how this says "you're" right here, right? It's supposed to be this one right here, right? But I just leave it, as this one right here because, there's a million and one, again, broke ass people out there that just absolutely love trying to correct people or whatever. So that's going to add more comments to your stuff and it's going to make your comment go a lot higher or whatnot. And then you can also argue with people in the comment section. Me personally, I don't do that because, that's kind of a waste of time. But if you wanted to get your post boosted up, let's say you commented on a video super late or something like that, like how this one here, like I don't even remember what it was when I first commented. It was just like trending or whatever. So I just went and made a comment on the video. But like you guys will see, if you literally, let's say you make like 100 comments a day and like 50 comments of them, let's say they only get 1,000, likes or whatever. That's 50,000, people that's going to see your stuff, to see your ad, or see your link or whatever it is you decide to put in there every day. All right. So like all you got to do is just put in a little bit of time. Like literally, how long does it take to go and comment on videos? Not hard at all, right? As you guys see on this video right here, this one got 4.5 K or whatnot. So then again, this one is literally ranked first. If you want to check out your rank and see if you're first on the comment section, just take the URL, open up an incognito window, paste it in the new one, and then this will tell
you should get this one. I don't know, babe.
And then this will tell you right here if you're ranked first or not. See, because if you are logged into the account where you made the comment from, it's obviously going to show up top. But this right here will show you, where it's at. So like if we go to that this Eminem video here, we do the same exact thing. You guys will see that my comment is definitely not first. All right. So. Oh, okay. Well, that one is ranked pretty decent. Oh, yeah, that is ranked first. Well, second or whatever. Oh, never mind. I guess that one is ranked first. Huh. I must have got on that video pretty early. But okay, yeah. So you guys see what I'm saying though? Like, people are gonna see this over and over and over and over and over, right? And again, if you edit it when it's ranked really high, you're pretty much locked in. Now, this is just my personal experience or whatever, but from what I've seen, that if you like, let's say you go and you make a video, you make a comment or whatnot, and it gets like 30 likes, and you see it starting to take off or whatever, and then you go and change it right away, it normally just like kind of locks in at whatever place it's at. So let's say you're ranked 50, or something, and you were heading to that first spot, or you're ranked first, at that given time, and then as soon as it, like soon as you like edit, it like kind of gets locked in there. So anybody that comes and their likes gets higher than yours, and you're pretty much like kind of stuck at that level. Like you see this guy over here, he got more likes than me on his comment and more replies, but mine is still ranked higher, and that's personally what I believe is because he edited his, right? So I mean, it is what it is. Just test it out. You can get your own results and stuff like that. Again, this is just what I personally believe is going on. Like I said, there's been a lot of like times that I've commented on stuff, and it just kind of like plays in that role. But again, I don't know, could be completely different for you. Again, this is just my personal experience and stuff. But yeah, guys, like literally all you need to do is just make a comment, let it rank, edit, and then literally you can have it set to like go to a YouTube channel. You can have it set to go to a CPA offer. You can have it set to go to wherever you want to. It's literally free traffic, and all you got to do is just leave comments on videos. So then I can go back here and edit this comment again, like, oh, make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Another thing you can do is like real sly or whatnot. It's normally what I do sometimes. But basically, what you would do is you would make your comment, and then you would go on another profile, and then like first you would let it get a little bit of traction or whatever, and then you'll have a comment say something about your YouTube channel, right? This one over here, someone actually oh, I forgot I deleted. Wait, did I delete it? Okay, yeah, this one right here, someone actually went through and said they watched my YouTube videos or whatever. So I don't know if it's still here. Um, yeah, I don't know where the dude is or whatever. But yeah, somebody had tagged me in something, say, hey, I watch your videos or whatever. So then people see other people watching your videos, and then like you can just then other people would just follow. You know what I'm saying? Like another thing you can do is comment on your own post negatively, after it gets some results, and be like, oh, dude, stuff always like one I use a lot is whenever it like gets high comments and stuff, like I mean high likes and stuff. It's like, dude is a marketer, so that's why his shit always get to the top. I hate your comments; they're always on top of all the videos and stuff. I hate your channel too, something like that, right? And then people be like, oh, I want to hate his channel too. Let me go over there and look at the channel, right? So I mean, literally something as simple as that, guys, can make you a lot of money. But yeah, this is a very simple method. Basically, in a nutshell, all you do is comment on videos and then come back and edit them once they're ranked higher, and then you're just going to be able to generate traffic off of that YouTube video over and over and over. You don't need any subscribers. I would recommend having a channel where you can keep selling people over and over and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, you really don't need any of that. Again, I would recommend it because a lot of people, if you let's say you put 50 comments a day, you get 50,000 people going through, and let's just say something like stupid low, like only 100 people, go to your YouTube channel from just the comments. Like literally out of 50,000, only 100 people, right? That it only takes one person, to like really can blow up your account. Like let's say this Long Beach Griffey guy or whatnot, like shouted out my channel, like my shit would like instantly like just blow up. But then of course you would have to go through the whole process of pushing 99% of people away if you're in the making money online niche. If you just have a regular channel, then you can, of course, you're just gonna enjoy the publicity or whatever. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys was able to follow along on this. Like I said, it's a very simple method, kind of a long video to explain it, but again, lots of tips, stuff like that to help you guys out. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below. But very simple way to get traffic and stuff like that, guys. So again, you can do this with any method, because I know there's going to be people out there, can I do it with this niche? Can I do it with this? Can I do any link that you are able to post on YouTube, or any opportunity, any YouTube channel that you have, you'll be able to do this, no problem. All right, very simple stuff. But again, thanks for watching.